Nagluluto ako guys ngayon ng scrambled eggs with tomatoes, onions, at saka sibuyas at bawang. Nilagyan ko. Si Suyar cereal lang kinakain. Ang gulo ng aming guys, kitchen. Kasi nga, nagising kami kaninang madaling araw, mga 2 o'clock. Tapos kumain kami. Tapos hindi na ako nagligpit kasi nga antok na antok pa rin ako. So ngayon, late kami nagising. So late din kami kakain ng almusal. Ito ako ng kanin dito. Okay, yan. Ito naman yung sa eggs. Luto na ang scrambled eggs with tomatoes. Tapos, luto na rin yung ating rice. Tapos, nag-air fry ako ng longganisa. Ayan. Ito yung ulam natin ngayon. Longganisa at scrambled eggs. Tapos, nagprito ako ng tuyo, guys. Kasi masarap din yan siya sa tuyo. I-partner ang scrambled eggs at saka longganisa. Kain tayo, guys. Hindi pa kumulo yung aking mainit na tubig. Kasi mga kape ako. Ito yung ulam ko. Ayan. Tuyo. Ayan. Sarap. Tapos, scrambled eggs na may tomatoes. At longganisa. Ayan. Kain tayo, guys. Wala pang kape ko. Not eating? Sarap. Masarap sa probinsya kumain kasi marami kami. Tapos, pag breakfast, ang ganda ng tanawin. Bukid talaga. Hindi kami nag-stay sa city, sa bahay namin, guys. Siguro mga 1 day lang. Tapos pagdating ng asawa ko, ayaw niya doon sa city. Nag-stay doon siya sa bukid. Kasi peaceful. Pumunta ka lang kami doon, bumibisita. Sa kapitbahay namin dati. Itong longganisa, guys, na-air fry ko lang. Prefer ko na prituhin siya sa sa kawali kaysa air fryer. Kasi medyo matigas siya eh. Na-overcook ko siguro. Sa wakas, guys, tapos na rin ako maglinis ng kusina at saka nilinis ko na rin yung pantry at saka yung refrigerator. Inaayos ko na siya, guys. Dinadahan-dahan ko siya ayusin para konti lang yung gagawin ko. Bukas naman, dahan-dahan ko na namang ayusin yung taas. So, ito siya, guys. Oh. Malinis na siya. Ayan. Tapos, yung pantry, guys, ay naayos ko na din. So, ayan. Ayos ko na siya. Ang refrigerator ay ayan. Ayan. So, maayos na rin siya. Tinapon ko kasi yung dapat itapon, yung mga luma na at yung expired na. So, mayroon ako nakita kayo na 2 expired na garlic sauce. Yung kay asawa. So, tinapon ko siya kasi expired na, guys. So, ayan. Tapos na ako maglinis ng kusina. At nakapag-map na rin ako, guys. Mag-relax muna ako. Kasi, hindi pa talaga totally nawala yung jet lag ko. At saka yung mga luggage dito nawala na siya guys. Nailagay ko na siya sa ilalim ng hagdan. Doon. Dito. Dito. Yes, look at you. You're bullying it now.
I'm bullying now.
Yeah, you're bullying it. So wala na rin dito guys. Naayos na rin.
I want
Come on, let's go. Take a bath.
I'm sleepy.
You're sleepy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Punta muna kami guys sa River Health Urgent Care kasi ipacheck namin si Sawyer tsaka yung mata ni Shelton din at tsaka yung si asawa kasi meron siyang sinus. Is that sinus, Han? Allergy?
Me?
Yeah?
I've been diagnosed with chronic sinusitis. It's not
Chronic
contagious.
sinus.
It is just a flaw in the sinus system when our body developed that
Hindi naman na
makes
siya
me
nakakahawa.
more
So,
allergic to stuff and it causes an infection.
kailangan namin magpa-check
So the
up.
only thing they do is they'll give
Silang
us
tatlo lang.
steroid.
Ah, okay. Hindi kami kasali ni Sam. May upo din at sipon si Sawyer.
Welcome back.
Higo ko lang guys. Tingnan natin yung mata ni Shelton kung pula pa ba. Kasi di ba kahapon nagpa-check up kami. Tingnan natin yung kanyang mata. Kung okay na ba kasi binigyan siya ng 2 liquid para sa kanyang mata. This is Shelton. Oh, let's see. It's getting
It's
better.
gone. I think it's gone when I look in the camera.
Look, there's still a little
A
bit.
little bit red.
Yeah.
But you put a little bit more on later.
Yeah, we need to put it because it will heal. Pupunta kami ng farmer's market kasi titingin yung asawa ko kung baka may mga gulay at saka mga tomatoes pa. Are you going to a farmer's market?
Is that all place we're going?
Huh?
Is that it?
Yeah, farmer's market.
No, I don't want to go.
Okay, he doesn't wanna go.
You going to the farmer's market?
Yeah, that's what Daddy said.
Where are we going?
Farmer's market?
Farmer's market?
Yeah.
Can I come with you?
Yeah.
Look, I bring my milk on my iPad.
Yeah, you can.
Wow.
May sipon si Sawyer guys at saka may ubo.
Dad,
Tapos binibigyan ko lang siya ng antibiotic.
I'll be going this one.
We are here at the farmer's market. Tingin kami kung anong mabibili namin dito guys. Have orange. Oh, the mango. The mango is soft. This one is good. $2. There. Oh, there's peach. Oh, they have a lot of peach, hun. Oh, it's soft. Ooh. Come here. Apple. 3.75 per pound. Is this sweet? Nectarine. Peaches. Oh, corn. 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 Broccoli, tomato. Tomatoes. Onions. Yams. Green beans. Okra, this is the only okra we have. We just get it all. Okra nila on.
Mommy.
We have this one. Yellow squash.
Mommy, can
Huh?
you get me that?
Okay, we're gonna get it, okay? You have to wait. Sa kanila din to, guys.
Let him. Come on, Sawyer, let him go. Come on, Daddy. Come on. Come on. Oh, he took the yellow crab.
Oh, they have it in here. Oh, there's a big tomato right there. Big tomato. Ano? Look how big it is for the burger. Corn. 25. Oh, it's so big. Is that a Roma tomato?
No, I don't want one.
Oh, okay.
So these are number 2. So
You okay?
pounds for 25. I think this one more over there. See, here's the
Wow.
small.
They have strawberry. Oh, this is the strawberry, oh.
See these small. There's a lot of them.
Look, Driscoll's.
Maybe I'll go with this one.
Cucumber. Oh, I love it. Yeah. Cabbage. Okay, go up outside. Dali. Come here. Malalaki yung corn nila guys kaysa sa kabilang tindahan. So, kukuha ako. Are you going to get the other one over there?
No, I'm not. I'm gonna go with this. 370. You already changed it.
I don't have my... Come on. So, ayan. Come on, come on. Faster.
Hold on, come on.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Uy, look, oh.
Bottom line, there's a truck.
There's a truck.
We haven't bought the candy yet. I don't want to buy that lemon candy.
I don't know.
The smaller one,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah. Corn. Andito na kami sa car ni Sawyer guys. Dinala ko siya dito dahil panay siya iyak. May nakita kasi siyang candy eh. Nagbabayad pa si asawa. Yan po si asawa. Yan, nagbabayad pa siya. Seryoso yung mukha niya. Oh. Yan yung farmer's market dito guys. Sa Santa Clara. Fresh na fresh talaga. Si Sam at saka si Shelton guys ay hindi sumama sa amin. Ayan o si Sawyer nagkatrangkaso. Bumalik na naman yung lips ko dry guys kasi nga dry nga dito. Nung ako sa Pilipinas hindi siya dry. Kasi grabe dito guys. Dry heat ang sa amin dito sa Utah, dry heat. Super ano talaga, sobrang init. Nasa 102 degrees ngayon guys dito sa amin.
I almost didn't buy it, and I was just gonna let him cry and tell him when you start crying and acting crazy in the store, that's when you won't get candy. I'm tired of it.
What is this candy?
Hey, stop it!
Daddy almost not buy these candies because you're crying.
Daddy almost left your candy there because if you're gonna scream and cry, then I won't buy you candy.
You have to stop now. Tapos pumili ako ng banana cake. Let's see if it's good. It's moist. Sarap. Madami siyang pera. Do you like it, the candy? Yeah?
I don't like that.
Where's your iPad? Pupunta muna ako ng Asian store. Dito lang banda. Uy, nag-ugot talaga si Sawyer. Yan, Oriental. Yan. Golden Fortune Oriental Market. Yan. Oops. Doon ako. Squid. Ang laki ng ano. Isda. We can eat here?
I don't know. Maybe they don't have that here.
So ito guys, yung pinamili namin sa farmer's market ko. Yellow squash, fresh na okra, tapos cucumber, tomatoes, ayan, corn, ayan, 22 piraso na corn, tapos tinapay na fresh bake, ayan. Pumunta rin kami sa Miss, ayan ang binili namin na drinks.